Ka Thomas Jones Synod College, Jowai, bynta ka jingrakhe ka jubili rupa, hynne ka sngi, ka Pynlong ka district seminar for faculty development, bala shimenta de nonghikai Jinghikai secondary level, but nonghikai college bapher. Ka jingthmu jong ka ka seminar ka long iarap Pyniar ka Rukom Jinghikai nonghikai katkum ka jingiaid ka por. Habukren Lamprang ka Dr. Iaka, Assistant Professor, ka Ong, banyabe ya ka Rukom Jinghikai katkum ka digital kamlong ka basuk nonghikai. Don kamru ban sngoutho ha kanu ka Rukom ngila shushu ban yo ya ka jingnang jingtip naba shu tang da ka jingnang jingtip nonghikai kila ban pen sngoutho ya nong snap henry nong sha hikai ru don kam ka jing sngoutho haladi ringkat bat nonghikai daka ba pen don kam kila jinghikai bapher khnang ban la pen wandur khambha. Kiriu Shempang bal Jinghikai Kanikasni Kintup Dr. B.H. Buam, Associate Professor College of Teacher Education Shillong, Dr. Q. Kharbuli, Associate Professor UGC Human Resource Development Center Nehu Shillong, Dr. Batskem Murbo, Assistant Professor Department of Political Science Synod College Shillong, Kakong A. Basayomod, Associate Professor Department of English Shillong College Shillong, Hakanikasni Layo Rukajingkren no Dr. D.G. Lingdo, Principal Thomas Jones Synod College, R. Paryat, Assistant Professor, S. Shilla, Assistant Professor, Dr. D.B. Lamari, Assistant Lecturer, but QA.
The information bloomed and the subsequent knowledge have led to tremendous changes in the life of the individual today. And its effect is also witnessed in the field of education with the global connectivity facilitated by ICT. Challenges faced by a teacher in using technology. The ICT brings with various challenges that a teacher needs to face. And when we talk of the teachers, their role has become complex in today's challenging world, where access to knowledge is almost limited. They are expected to become technologically savvy and take responsibility not only for their teaching, but also for their students. They are one of the key elements, not only in the school system, but also among the one who influence the lives and personalities of students. The education system is constantly being challenged to offer an effective education to people. And at the same time, as technological development continually opened up new possibilities and methods of teaching.